Emergency call to the SOS service provided by the manufacturer. To cancel, press the SOS or cancel button. Starting SOS call. SOS call not successful. SOS system will continue to retry.
Jesus, more bells and whistles went off during that than in like a Star Trek episode. What? He crashed his truck, or he got shot at with photon torpedoes or something. So I've been waiting forever for this video to drop. Brendan Schaub, he flipped his truck, as you know. His new thing is, I'm into trucks and I'm a gearhead. And so he flipped his truck, and he's actually been waiting a while for some reason to drop this video, maybe insurance purposes, because I don't know how the hell he flipped his truck. He wasn't like in traffic or anything. It looked like he was just trying to do donuts, maybe out in like sand in the desert or something. And he just flipped it. It didn't even look like he was going that fast, but what an idiot this guy is. I mean, why couldn't it just been blown up in a video game? No, I'm just kidding. But I mean, damn, yo. He just constantly keeps taking L's. It's pathetic. It's kind of hilarious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.